I don't know, but yeah, follow me.
And all your bags are harder.
Is that it?
Yep.
101.20? You go, sir?
You could go.
No problem. Have a good day. Hello. We have one. We have two.
Oh, it's a different type.
Okay, so 7 of these?
Coming in the blue.
We could try. If we are one way or the other.
There you go. I put some on here. Hello.
This yours too?
Yes. I was over there. So, Brian, can I get some bite? That's all you have?
Yeah, gotta get some more. Oh, you coming here?
No.
Oh.
You say you need some more, that's right. You don't need this one? I need them.
Yeah, go ahead, take them. Oh, okay,
Seven.
7 too? Is that it? 159.48. You? You have a good day. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
All right.
Good.
Hey, Desiree.
Either she's mad at you or she didn't hear you.
She didn't hear me.
Yeah, I'm sure.
that it?
That's it.
All right, 83.20.
Good afternoon, associates. Capture Hector, Dr. Sitting at the sign. Capture Hector, Dr. Sitting at the sign. For your assistance, thank you.
40, 60, 80, and 1. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. There you go.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too.
Don't mind them, ma'am.
They're just working.
Go ahead, just kick them in the booty.
How are you?
All right.
Am I looking at 6 or 9?
That's a 6, man. Wait a minute, is that? No, that's a 9.
Please, because okay.
Yeah, it's a 9. I know. This way it made it look like a 6.
I know, because I bought one pair one time and it was so, the shoes were too small. And I was like, what?
And these here
Those are
are
9s too, correct?
9 wide, yes.
Perfect.
You need some bags?
Maybe one bag. I think I can get it all in.
Carla, where are you gonna go? Where are you going? Maria. ¿Qué sobre las casas?
Is that it?
Yep.
33.82. You go?
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Oh, that's separate. This is separate.
3607. You go? All right, total is 228. You go?
Thank you.
Hello. Need bag? Is that it? All right, 506.
Here.
Thank you. You have a good day. Hello. We need some bags? Is that it? $37.03. Go ahead and move your card. Do you remember? Okay, we insert something. Can you catch back? Thank you. Hello. You have a good day, ma'am. Get everything?
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello. You need some bags?
One bag.
One bag? Okay.
Can you come number 7 right now when you're done?
$20.77. $40 cash back, man?
Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day.
You too.
No problem. Thank you. Hello. Will you need some bags today?
Yes, for the smaller stuff.
Okay.
City Manager Coffee.
Bye, guys.
And for the clothes, I don't need